2013 Cadillac XTS. For those of you guys that's having issues with clunking noise when you press the brake, what you want to do is, when you get the new brakes, because this is when it started for me, as soon as you hit the brake, clunk, clunk. I'll post a video up here shortly, but the new brakes, I have to file this down here, take all this powder coating on here. These are the old brakes. I'm just saying the new ones they're a little bit thicker and they're hard to seat inside the brake caliper. You'll know what I mean if you ever changed these type of brakes before. So file these down, file this down. Hold up. And let me see. Yeah. And the edges here. Make sure it swings inside the brake caliper nice and smooth.